A lot of marketing managers use Facebook to drive people off of Facebook to a lead capture page, right? The newsletter sign up form, the email capture form, such as input your email, get a free ebook. So what Facebook has done to eliminate people bouncing off of their site is to keep the lead capture device right on Facebook. So this ad type is a bit hidden, but it's a great tool if you're afraid of driving people to your landing page and then them just walking away or closing the tab. You can capture them while they're still on Facebook. And remember, there's a trust factor to that. Do I want to put my email in on this guy's website? Looks a little sketchy. I've never heard of it. Do I want to put my email in this lead capture form on Facebook? Facebook already has my email. I trust Facebook. Why not? There's a trust thing to this. So let's create a lead generation advertisement. So just go to your Manage Ads page. That's drop down, Manage Ads. And then click Power Editor. So let's click Create Campaign. We'll call this Lead Gen. Auction is fine. Click, and then Lead Generation Ad. That's the ad type. Scroll down, new ad set. Email leads. Create new ad. Email form. So how the Power Editor works is by tiers. See, we're in the campaign level, ad set level, ads. So we already know this is a lead gen campaign. Let's go to the ad sets. So the first time you use the lead generation ad, you have to select the page. So click, choose one and select your page. Now you'll be prompted for these lead ad terms. You have to agree to the terms. Then it's just a basic setup like a normal ad. So we have the page selected, the budget is $5, start date, there's no end date. So in the audience we can select a previously built audience that we saved, or we can edit the audience right here and choose the actual demographics we want to focus on. Let's just go broad for this one. So since lead gen is new, it's only on mobile newsfeed, but it's soon going to be on desktop. And that'll just be one more toggle option right here. But let's just go with the default of mobile newsfeed. We're optimizing for leads. Get the most leads for the best price. So this is great. So let's go to our final level, which is the ad. So since we've never created a form, we need to create a new form. We'll call this form Email Capture. So what information would you like to ask for? The most common and default is email and full name. We can show more options. Say if we want to capture their city, date of birth, gender, a lot of these things. We can add a question. Say if we're selling cars, we can ask what their car make is. If we're advertising something student-based, education, we can add field of study. For retail, some e-commerce items. They have a lot of presets. So for this, let's just start with email and full name. So one requirement for lead ads is a privacy policy. So really you can copy and paste a privacy policy from any website, right? And just tweak it to your own company. So we already have a privacy policy in place at CourseEnvy. Just copy this. So the nice thing about this page, instead of copying and pasting the terms of service and privacy policy from another website and changing it to your own, there's a great plugin for WordPress that actually creates this for you. It's called the Auto Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So all you're going to do is throw this short code on the page and it curates it for you. All you have to input is your name, company location, and a couple other fields. But reading this and comparing it to some major websites such as Udemy, it's very similar to their privacy policy and TOS. So just copy this privacy policy link once you create it and then paste it into your privacy policy. Next, once a person has completed the form, then you can prompt them to visit your website. Remember what I said. There's a cloud with Facebook already. Let them feel comfortable while inputting their email and full name right on the Facebook page. Then redirect them to your website for more information. Okay, click Next. So this is our form. It's called Email Capture. It's in English. We're going to capture full name and email. Here's our privacy policy. And this is the destination link after they submit their form. So let's create that form. So here's how our ad will appear in the user's mobile newsfeed. We want to add a little call to action. What do they get for signing up, right? So enter text that clearly tells people what you're promoting. So we have our call to action text. So enter your headline. Then for your headline, you want your call to action to lead them to that sign up button. So for this newsfeed link description, you're basically describing what the link is they'll be redirected to after they sign up. So on the whole, this is a great ad. We're telling them what they're going to get. They're going to get 98% off a course that can make them $5,000 a month. Then our headlines are call to action, get a free coupon. Describe the link a little better with the newsfeed link. Sign up now. Everything points to sign up now. So we scroll down. We can add conversion tracking here if we'd like. Say if this wasn't just my .com, I could edit this form to have it go to a specific maybe thank you page, right? That'd be a great page to insert a conversion tracking pixel on. So we could choose that, right? So choose that tracking pixel. Use existing. Say this was the thank you page for that course. All right. So one note about Power Editor. There's no save or publish ad, right? It's upload changes. Power Editor, you can go in and edit any ad you like via the Power Editor. It's through the Ads Manager I can create new ads. So if I don't want to click through this and click edit each individual ad, you can go to your Power Editor and edit them all. Just think of Power Editor as multiple ad editing. So again, to upload this ad, to actually publish it, we need to click the green Upload Changes. Continue. So there we go. We uploaded the campaign, the ad set, and the ad. Done. Now let's go back to our Ads Manager and make sure that that ad was published. There we go. Lead gen, pending review. Just simply go to your page, click the publishing tools in the top menu bar, and then click the lead ads forms. So once you click this, this will display all your forms, and it'll show the lead count, how many you've actually captured with each form. So when you click download, you have the option to download it as a CVS or Excel spreadsheet. Then you can upload that to your MailChimp or Aweber, whatever your newsletter service is.